Friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discuss important question of English pedagogy. So let's start. First question: which theory of learning believes that language learning takes place in relation to the social context in which it is used? A. Competency based language teaching. B. Audiolingualism. C. Content based language teaching. D. Sociolinguistic. So A will be right answer, competency based language teaching. Next question: what are these words known as for vocabulary teaching learning? D. The, for, and, or, to, while, only, because. A. Content word. B. Connective words. C. Denotative word. D. Side word. So friends, side word. Okay. Next question: bottom up model of reading expert learner to. A. Move from whole to part. B. Move from part to whole. And C. Move from center to periphery. And D. Move from top to bottom. So friend, right answer is second will be correct answer, move from part to whole. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट पर्सनल राइटिंग? ए. डायरी राइटिंग. बी. ऑटोबियोग्राफी. सी. करिकुलम weights and D. memory. Friend, correct option C will be right answer, curriculum weights. Okay. Next question: BICS stand for A. bilingual interpersonal communication skills. B. basic instruction communication skills. C. basic intercommunication skills. And D. basic interpersonal communication skills. Friend, D will be right answer, basic interpersonal communication skills. Okay. Next question: which one of the following is true of a skilled reader? A. perceives and decodes letter in order to read words. B. understands the meaning of all the words in order to understand the meanings of the text. C. takes longer time to read a lengthy text. D. determines the writer purpose, intent, and point of view. To friend, which of the following is true of a skilled reader? D will be right answer, determines the writer's purpose, intent, and point of view. Next question: which one of the following statement is true? A. grammar learning by rules is helpful. B. writing develop much before reading. C. reading is meaning making. D. learning many languages is burden. So correct option is C, reading is meaning making. Next question: consciousness rising is A. drawing the attention of the learner through example to context and use. B. raising ideas through example. C. using language for purpose. D. thinking about knowledge of language. Friend, consciousness rising is drawing the attention of the learners through example to context and use. A will be right answer. Next question: process approach to writing is advocate in an effective strategy because it: A. enables learner to learn how is right. B. enables learners to learn what is right. C. encourages learner to know writing as a product. And D. enables learner to learn good handwriting. The right answer is A. enables learner to learn how is right. Next question: how many languages are listed as recognized language in the Constitution of India? A. 16. B. 29. C. 22. And D. 18. The correct answer is C. 22. Next question: a teacher asks each one of the learners to explore their family history by asking their grandparents about their family members before them. Learners then are asked to know about other families. After a whole class discussion, the learner have to draw their family history and write a report on it. What is this strategy known as? A. project work access the curriculum. B. assignment. C. history learning for language learning. D. my family theme. तो correct option is A. project work access across the curriculum. Next question: continuous assessment is A. assessing the learners continuously. B. an assessment as a part of teaching learning, school based assessment. C. outcomes based and achievement oriented assessment. And D. summative assessment for grading. Friend, right answer is B. an assessment as a part of teaching learning, school based assessment. Okay. Next question देखेंगे: the major purpose of teaching poetry is to: A. enjoy and appropriate. B. learn vocabulary and grammar. C. use the poetic device. D. make learners to become poet. The correct option is A. enjoy the appropriate. Okay. Next question: interaction hypothesis by Long assumes that A. input for language learning is essential but not sufficient. B. interaction is alone essential. C. input is alone essential and sufficient. D. output and performance is based on input alone. So right answer is A. Input for language learning is essential but not sufficient. Next and last question. Material for language teacher refers to A. Textbook and supplementary reader. B. Anything which can be used by a teacher for a language learning. C. Computer, mobile phones, iPods, and D. Laboratory books and library. The right answer is B. Anything which can be used by a teacher for language learning. Okay, thank you friends.